Imagine a world where your office fits in your pocket, a world where your commute is a walk from your bed to your couch, and your most powerful business tool is the device you use to scroll through social media. This isn't a futuristic dream, it's the reality for a growing number of people who have unlocked the earning potential of their smartphone. No laptop, no office, just your phone and hustle. Now I know what you might be thinking. Can I really make a significant income, like $50 to $200 a day, using only my phone? The answer is a resounding yes. But let's be clear, this isn't a lottery ticket or a get-rich-quick scheme. This is a practical step-by-step guide to building a legitimate, sustainable income stream using the technology you already own. It requires focus, consistency, and a willingness to learn. If you're ready to put in the work, I'm here to show you the way. Ready? Step 1. Pick one quick win. The single biggest mistake people make is trying to do everything at once. They get overwhelmed by options and end up doing nothing. The secret to getting started is to choose one path and focus all your energy on it. We're going to look at 3 powerful, phone-friendly options. Your job is to pick the one that excites you the most. First up, freelancing. This means you offer services remotely, and you don't need to be a coder or a video editor. Think about skills you can execute entirely from your phone. Are you great at writing engaging captions? You can be a social media manager. Do you have a good eye for design? You can create simple graphics for businesses using apps like Canva. Other phone-based services include proofreading documents, managing someone's email inbox, or even providing virtual assistant services like scheduling appointments. The key is to package a skill you have into a service someone will pay for. Our second option is selling digital products. This is the create once, sell forever model. It's a fantastic way to build passive income. From your phone you can create things like mobile photo filters or Lightroom presets, design simple templates for social media stories, or write short ebooks and guides on topics you know well. You can create a digital planner optimized for mobile use or even a bundle of inspirational, quote graphics. Once the product is made and listed on a platform like Etsy or Gumroad, it can generate sales 24/7 with no extra work from you. The third path is microtasks. These are small, simple jobs you can do in apps for quick payments. Think app testing, taking surveys, transcribing short audio clips, or categorizing images. While this path is unlikely to get you to $200 a day on its own, it's an excellent way to earn your first $10 or $20 online. It proves the concept, builds your confidence, and can provide the seed money you'll need for later steps. It's about building momentum. So, take a moment. Freelancing, digital products, or micro-tasks. Which one feels right for you? Pick one. Step 2. Set up a professional profile. Once you've chosen your path, you need a place to do business. This is your digital storefront, and first impressions are everything. Don't just rush through this. A well-crafted profile is the difference between getting ignored and getting hired. If you chose freelancing, you'll set up on a platform like Upwork or Fiverr. For digital products, a platform like Etsy or Gumroad is perfect. If you went with microtasks, you'll download an app like Amazon Mechanical Turk or Clickworker and register. Each platform has its own nuances, but the core principles of a great profile are universal. First, your photo. Use a clear, high-quality headshot. Not a picture of your dog, not a photo from a party 10 years ago. A simple, friendly photo where you're looking at the camera. It builds trust instantly. Next, your bio or description. Keep it short and punchy. Lead with the value you provide to the customer, not with your life story. Instead of, I'm a student looking to make money, try, I help busy entrepreneurs save time by managing their social media. See the difference? One is about you, the other is about them. Always focus on them. Clearly state what you do, who you do it for, and the result they can expect. Step 3. Create one irresistible offer. With your profile ready, it's time to create your first product or service listing. Again, the key is to start with one. Don't create a huge catalog of 10 different services. Create one, perfect it, and make it irresistible. Your offer needs to be incredibly specific. I'll design graphics is vague. I will design 5 engaging Instagram story graphics in 24 hours is specific and compelling. If you're selling a digital product, don't just call it templates. Call it 15 minimalist Canva templates for health and wellness coaches. The more specific you are, the easier it is for the right customer to say, that's exactly what I need. Define the deliverable clearly. What exactly does the customer get? How many revisions are included? What file format will it be in? Clarity eliminates confusion and leads to happier customers. Now, let's talk about pricing. When you're starting out, you need to price it competitively. This doesn't mean being the absolute cheapest, which can signal low quality. It means being strategic. Research what others with similar offers and experience levels are charging. Price yourself in the lower middle range of the market. Your initial goal isn't to maximize profit on every sale, it's to get your first few sales and, more importantly, your first few 5-star reviews. Those reviews are social proof, and they are more valuable than gold when you're starting out. You can, and should, raise your prices later as you build a reputation. Step 4. Promote with short-form content. You can't just build it and hope they will come. You have to be your own marketing department, and your phone is the perfect tool for the job. The most effective way to do this right now is with short-form video content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Create simple, 30-60-second videos. But what do you post? Don't just say, "Hire me." Show, don't tell. Show the results. Create a video showing a before and after of your work. Share a quick tutorial related to your service. Give away a small piece of your knowledge for free to build authority and trust. For example, if you sell social media templates, create a reel showing 3 mistakes everyone makes with Instagram stories. At the end of every video, have a simple call to action. Link in bio to grab my custom templates, or DM me for help with your social media. You're not just selling a service, you're providing value and inviting people into your world. Step 5. Reinvest your early earnings. This step is what separates the hobbyists from the high earners. When you make your first $50 or $100, the temptation is to spend it. Resist that urge. Your first earnings are not profit, they are fuel for your business engine. You need to reinvest that money strategically to accelerate your growth. What does reinvesting look like on a phone? It could mean putting a small amount, even just $5 or $10, into platform-specific ads. Both Fiverr and Etsy have options to promote your listings, getting you in front of more buyers. It could also mean upgrading your tools. Maybe you pay for the pro version of the design app you use to unlock better features, or you buy a better digital planning app, or perhaps you invest in a short online course to improve your skills. Think of every dollar you earn as a seed. You can either eat the seed now, or you can plant it to grow a much larger harvest later. Step 6. Scale by repeating what works. Once you have a winning formula, a specific offer that sells, promoted by a certain style of video, your job is to scale. Scaling doesn't mean reinventing the wheel, it means building more wheels. If your gig for Instagram story graphics is a hit, create a new, separate gig for Facebook post graphics. If your digital planner is selling well, create a new digital budget tracker. You take the core concept that has been validated by the market, and you replicate it. As you get more orders and reviews, you earn the right to raise your prices. That first gig you priced at $20 might now be worth $50. This is how your daily income starts to climb from $50 toward that $200 mark. You add more proven offers and you increase the price of your existing offers as your reputation grows. It's a simple, powerful loop. Deliver great work, get a great review, increase your visibility, get more work, and repeat. So let's put this all together in a 30-day roadmap. Your mission, should you choose to accept it, is this. In week 1, you will complete steps 1, 2, and 3. You'll choose your path, build a killer profile, and create one specific, irresistible offer. In week 2, you'll focus entirely on step 4, promotion. Create and post 3 to 5 short videos promoting your offer. In week 3, you'll analyze the results, continue promoting, and hopefully, start reinvesting your first earnings as per step 5. By week 4, you should be focused on step 6, fulfilling orders, delivering amazing service, and planning your next offer. Do that for 30 days, and you will see real progress. You will have built the foundation of a real business. Let's do a quick recap. 1. Pick a single path, freelancing, digital products, or microtasks. 2. Build a professional, trustworthy profile. 3. Create one specific, irresistible offer priced competitively. 4. Promote it relentlessly with short-form video content that provides value. 5. Reinvest your first dollars back into your business through ads or tools. And 6. Scale by repeating what works and slowly increasing your prices. The power to change your financial situation is very likely already in your hand. The steps are clear, the tools are accessible. The only missing ingredient is your action. Start today, pick your path, set up your profile, and take the first step towards earning a real income right from your phone. You've got this.